So we go to the second song, Abonsam. It was produced by Two Bars. Two Bars is an in-house producer.
Two Bars.
There's Two Bars here.
He's working over there.
Please come and sit here so that everybody will see you after you talk. Oh, okay. All right. So it's produced by Two Bars, and we'd want to listen from Kofi what exactly he means by Abonsam. Abonsam, for those of us uninitiated, is Satan. It's Satan, right? Or devil.
You say Satan, no for now.
All right, so it's Satan. Abonsam is Satan. It's produced by Two Bars. The background to the
Abonsam, no. I mean, the whole it's a whole sentence, but you try to short here. Abonsam. Title Abonsam is my neighbor. Satan is my neighbor. You know, sometimes you go through some certain situations, conditions, and you feel like Abonsam me or Tmanchana Hana. I mean, you know, I mean, so this is what the person was going through. I mean, what I was going through. So what I was going through made me feel like is the Satan my neighbor? Is Satan my neighbor? So it's a form of, I mean, a song that is telling somebody's struggles, the kind of nyama alkodu fi a common nyama. So this is the story about somebody my neighbor. What you say?
All right, so just joined us again is Kindi. And Kindi played about 90% of Kofi Kinaata's songs. Kindi,
so yeah, the trot.
All right, so that's Kindi.
Suzuka.
So we put our headset back. Please, if anybody doesn't have, I have an extra. So in case anybody doesn't have, there's an extra here to share. All right, so DJ Page, Abonsam.
Cameraman.